I'm sure you've heard of the Owens family. The ones from Massachusetts. The ones their neighbors whisper are witches.
You're the Owens sisters.
Yeah, everyone we love dies.
Oh, right.
A really horrible death. But, I mean, it's not great for the Tinder bio. I've waited such a long time for this.
She has.
You put the line in the coconut, you drink them both up. Put the line in the coconut, you drink them both up. Put a line in the coconut, you drink them both up. Put the line in the coconut, then you feel better. Put the line in the coconut, you drink them both together. Put the line in the coconut, then you feel better. Put the line in the coconut, drink them both up. Put the line in the coconut, call me in the morning.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Everything's gonna be okay? Just like it was when we had to bury a corpse under a rose bush? That kind of fine or different? Different or same?
Put the line